Hello everybody, it's Alice and welcome back to my channel. So I have nothing on my face, bare. I washed it, kind of have some eyeliner still from yesterday, but you know how that goes. I washed my face like 100 times, nothing came off. So what I'm going to start with is my unicorn drops, obviously, because they're just the best. So what I do, I just put some right here, on the forehead, on the nose, on the chin. And I kind of try to do like a whole pump. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do. But, and then I just take my finger, rub it in, get it around my lips, around my nose, around my forehead. Alright, and then it's gonna be a little wet and tacky for a minute, but that's fine. Make sure you rub it down your neck, of course, because you'll apply foundation and stuff to your neck. Alright, then next, what I love to do is take, I have dogs and there's dog hair everywhere. I like to take my Milk Makeup Cooling under eye, make an alien face. Oh, it really is so cooling, and especially like if you just wake up in the morning and you just put this on your eyes, it feels so good. Then I just like to tap it. Then next, take my Pore Professional filler from Benefit. This stuff seriously works, guys. It's crazy. And I like to put some right here. I have like really big pores, and I just hate it. And then some right here. And then a little dab on my chin. Okay. Sorry I'm sniffling. I just keep sneezing all day long today and it's crazy. Alright, so we got my Rose Ivory Wet n Wild Photo Focus. Love this applicator. So easy. Just, I do X. X. Go down my nose. Put some on my forehead. And I just got it in my hair. And there. Got it in my hair and the hair fell off. Love it. Some on my chin. Alright. Might need a little more, but it's okay. Take my MŌDA brush. Actually has a number on it. 801. I didn't know it had a number. I was trying to figure this out yesterday. And I just go across my face and just tap it in. Make some crazy faces while you're doing it. Why not? Can't be one of those perfect beauty gurus. Make sure you do blend it all the way though, because with these brushes, sometimes you can see brush streaks. Like, I didn't even finish applying it and you could see the brush streak right here. So, just make sure to get it all. Make sure to blend down your jaw and your neck. Okay. Okay. I have a little bit in the corner of my eye. I'm just going to take my finger and blend that out. Good to go. Next, what we're going to do is take our Stay Matte Rimmel Sandstorm powder. I do have another one because this one obviously hit pan, but I don't like to get rid of things until it's all gone or until it expires. So what I do is I just tap it, put it all over my face, my eyes, my nose, anywhere that you put foundation, put this on there. It'll help from rubbing off, keeps it matte so you don't have oil all over. And then the fun part. We could start off with eyes, or we could do contour. Why not? We'll use our Hoola bronzer with our angled brush. And remember, hairline down. Don't go all the way. Go to like halfway. Make sure if your forehead's showing and you don't have bangs, try to blend it in. A lot of people make a 3, which I'll show you in 1 second. And again, I like to blend down further. But people go like this, and they'll make a 3. So you're getting your forehead, your cheek, and under your chin. Kind of going for a subtle face look today, but the rest of my face ain't gonna be subtle. Alright, so I'm wearing like a, I got foundation on my shirt, lovely. I'm wearing like a maroon colored shirt. So what I have, if I could find it, this one's it. Okay, yeah, it's my Sassy LA Colors. Absolutely love these. These were like $1. They're phenomenal. Like, the pigment pays off. It's absolutely amazing. I'm in love. So in love. I just noticed I didn't contour my nose, but you know what? That's okay for today. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna take our Jeffree Star brushes. JS6. I'm gonna tap into the tan neutral overall shade. So tap into there. Put it all over your lid. And this is obviously buildable. Next, I'm going to take the bigger fluffy Jeffree Star one, Jeffree Star JS5. We're going to tap into the maroon color. Sometimes, if it doesn't show up, you can always wet your brush. And what I'm going to do is just pat this on the outside. Circular little motions. Right now it's settled, but I'm probably going to wet my brush and make it way more pigmented. Ugh, I just love these eyeshadows. They just blend and blend and blend like butter. It's amazing. Okay, so I am going to take some Urban Decay Eyeliner. I'm going to spray the brush. A lot of people do like 5,000 sprays on the brush, but I'm not rich. I don't have money to be spending on spray all the time. Just gives it a little more subtle look. And then looks like that. What I'm going to do next is first dust off this brush. I'm going to take my Sephora Precision brush. And I'm thinking I'm going to go in with the gold glitter. Just pack it on there. Tap off the excess. And blend it all out. Tap, tap, tap. Tap off excess. Make sure you blend it in the middle, otherwise it's going to look like you just laid one color down and not the other. Then I'm going to take the one that I usually like to use for glitter. I don't know where I got this from. It's either Target, Walmart, something. Going to tap back into that maroon color and go right under my eye. So leave me a comment below. How's everybody's day going? What's your guys' favorite color? What's your favorite palette to use? I just dropped my brush on the floor. I'm gonna go back in with the maroon color. Just darken it up a bit since we put the gold. Now, since this is around the same color, there is a pink shimmer in here. What I'm going to do is just tap that, put it right in the middle. It helps transition from the maroon color to the gold. And that's that. And then what you could do is take the Jeffree Star 5-1 and just blend out the edges. So there's no harsh edges. And voila, eyeshadow is done. Then I'm going to grab my Wet n Wild Blackest Black Mega Last Liner. What I like to do is I just take the cap, hold on my eye, and I like to go halfway or a little more. With this look today, I'm going to do a little bit in the corner. Cap that back. And then get my mascara, the Urban Decay Perversion. Wow, I can't read today. And I use this one all the time. I should know the name. And I like to stroke up. And then I like to wiggle the brush. Get all those clumps out. Okay, and I got a little eyeshadow on, or got a little mascara on my eye. What you want to do is let it dry, and then you can flake it off. But if you get it when it's wet, you're going to mess up your eyeshadow. And messing up your eyeshadow is such a no-no. Then do your bottom lashes, make your alien face. That's done. Wasn't blended. Then let's see, what lipstick are we gonna use? So we have the Jeffree Star. I don't know how to pronounce this. And it's not gonna focus either. Crimson? Whatever. Or we have the Jeffree Star Can't Relate. We have a super dark lip, the Triggered, which I've never used this one yet. But it's like a dark, grungy purple. I got doll parts would look cute. I don't know. Let's see. I think we're going to do the one that I can't pronounce the name of. It's darker. Oh. Let me line my lips first. I had a sharpener in here. But, you know. Sharpen, 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 sharpen. Okay. Now this is crazy sharp. Okay. I was about to say I lost the cap. So my lips are lined. We're going to take the Jeffree Star. Let it dry. And then we're going to take our e.l.f. illuminating palette. We're going to go to the pinkier one today, since we have a lot of red tones. This one's so glittery and sparkly. It's crazy. Look at that. Already. And then what we're going to do, take our all-nighter spray. Whew. And we are all done. And this is the look. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.